Good day, children. Hope you all are fine. Today, let us go on with reported speech. Children, you know how to change reported speech. What do you mean by reported speech, children? Direct and indirect speech. Okay. Now, when the sentence in direct speech, you will be asked to change into indirect speech. If the sentence is in indirect, you will be asked to change into direct speech. Now, how will you change the sentence? If the sentence is in present tense, you will change to past tense. If the sentence is in past tense, you will change to past perfect tense. Now, to change this sentence in proper order, you have some changes in the words. Okay, that is what we are going to see now. See, if you know how to change the words, for sure you will not go wrong in changing the sentences. Now, say change to be noted, reported verbs. Now, the changes what we are doing is from direct to indirect. Obviously, the same way where indirect sentence is given, the same words will change reciprocal, indirect to direct. Okay. Now, let us see reported verbs. In direct sentence, if said comes, you can write told, he told, she told, you can go like that. And if it's in pronoun, the sentence is in pronoun I, you can write he or she. For you can write her or him. Okay, that depends according to the sentence, and according to the sentence you can change it. Now, if the tense, if it is in tense, am waiting. I said no, if the sentence is in present tense, you will change it to past tense. Am waiting, you will change it to was waiting. Now, place concept. If the sentence is talking about any place, here, leave your book here, then how will the sentence change? There. My father asked me to leave the book there. Okay, here will change to there. Time concept. Now. You will come now. Now will change to then. When you write into indirect, now, the word now will change to then. Changes in pronouns. We will see how to change in pronouns. I or you, if it appears no children, you will change to he, she, it. Now, how will you determine this he, she? According to the sentence. If the sentence is denoting to any girl or girl by the name Sheila, Shobha, like that, if it's denoting, you can go to she. If Rahul, Gopi, you can go to he. Any boy name or any gent's name, if the sentence is denoting, you can go to she. I mean, according to the name he and she, you can change it. Now, it is denoted to animals or non-living things. Okay. My, mine, your, yours. How will you change this my, mine, your, yours? See, my will change to his, her, hers, its. Okay, its, you will change like this. We, plural form also, no children, you will change we to they. Ours will be changed to their, theirs. Us will be changed to them. You will change us to them. Now, coming to tenses. How will you change in tenses? We'll see. If the sentence is in present tense, I told you already, if the sentence is in present tense, you will change it to past tense. We'll see the words changing in tenses. Now, if it am, is, are. How will you change? Am, is, are, you will change to was or were. Am, no, that is I am. Is, it is present tense, singular. You will change to was. Are is plural. Present tense, plural. When you change, you will change to were. Past tense, plural, were. Make or makes, you will change it to made. Am, is, are cooking. You will change am is singular, that is you will change to was. Are, if the word are appears, then you will change it to were cooking. Has or have appears, you will change it to had. Has singular present tense, have plural present tense, you will change it to had. Has or have seen, you will change it to had seen. So, along with the verb they have given, that's it. Will, can, may, take. Will, it will change to would. I will. I would, it will change I would. I can will change to could. May will change to might take. Now, if the sentence is in past tense, you will change it to past perfect tense. I told you already, no children, if it is in past tense, if the direct sentence is in past tense, you will change to past perfect tense. When you write in indirect, no, you will change to past perfect tense. If the same sentence is in past perfect tense, direct sentence is given in past perfect tense. Now, in indirect, you will change to past tense. Okay, just vice versa. Now, we'll see past tense sentence, you will change it to past perfect tense. Okay, if was or were appeared, you will write had been. If the sentence was or were, the words in past tense appears was or were, you will change it to had been. Broke, you will change it to had broken. Was, were drinking, you will change it to had been drinking. ing form, no children, you will not change ing form. Okay, you will bring out as it is. Was, were drinking, you will change to had been drinking. Okay, now time and place concept we will see. If the word now appears now, you will write then. Today, the word today, you will write that day. Yesterday, if the word appear yesterday, you will write the previous day or the day before. Either ways you can use it. If the in direct sentence, if the word yesterday appears, you can write the previous day or the day before. This or that, either ways one thing you can use. If the word tomorrow appears, you can write the next day. If not, the following day. Last week if it appears, the previous week. Okay, next month if it appears, you can write the following month. Here, if the word in direct sentence here appears, in indirect you will change it to there. This you will change to that. These, plural format, these will change to those. Ago, you will change to before. Thus you will change it to so. Some more changes, children, in reporting verbs. You will see some more changes here. See, if the sentence is in statement, okay, how will you write in indirect? When you write in indirect, you will write said to or told. He told that or she told that. If it is question, if there is a question mark in the sentence, then in indirect you will write asked, questioned or inquired. According to the sentence you will change it. Now, my father asked, my teacher questioned, the policeman inquired. According to the sentence, children, you will use the words. Command, if the word command is in direct speech, when you change to indirect, how will you write? You will go on with command, order, okay. Please, if the word please comes in direct speech, please or may I, if it comes, indirect speech you will write requested. Please help me. My friend requested to help him. Okay, like that you will change. Let's, if the word let's appear in direct sentence, you will write suggested. Goodbye, my friend said goodbye. My friend bid farewell. Indirect speech you will change like that. May God bless you. My grandmother wished me. Like that you will write. Okay. Or blessed me. May God. You can write prayed also. My grandmother prayed. My mother prayed. Either ways. Don't or never. If the wordings don't or never appears in direct speech, in indirect you will write forbade, if not warned. My mother forbade me. Like that you can change. Hooray or bravo. If these words appear, you can write cheered. Alas, no, something sad happening only, you use this alas. So when you write in indirect speech, you will use exclaimed sadly. How, what, exclamatory mark this or how, what. See, you could see exclamatory mark here. Then you can write exclaimed with surprise. In indirect speech you can use as exclaimed with surprise. Take or avoid by doctors, when you go to doctor, no, doctor says take these tablets for 3 days. So in that way, no, take, no, the doctor advised, you will change like that. Sorry, you will change it to regretted. No, thank you, refused politely. Okay, my friend said no thank you, no, my friend refused politely. You will write like that. Yes, certainly. Yes or certainly or of course. For all these 3 words, assured, you can write assured or you can write agreed. It's okay. You will write accepted for that. It's okay. For that you will write accepted. All right. For all right also you will write accepted or agreed. Okay. But children, see, these are the words very important. Where you remember these words, no children, for sure you will not go wrong in reported speech. Either changing the sentences from direct to indirect or indirect to direct, you will never go wrong in changing the sentence. For sure you must remember these rules. The change of words you must remember. Rewrite the sentences into direct speech. Now let us see some examples, children. Gopinath told Sindhu that he would support her at any cost. Children, when you write from indirect to direct, you should be cautious to quote the words that is said by the speaker. Okay, changing the words from indirect to direct, at the same time you must quote the words that is said by the speaker. Now, Gopi said to Sindhu, what did he say? Those words alone you must quote it. Now see, Gopi said to Sindhu, comma, open quotes. Always first letter of the quote is capital letter. Okay. He will change to I. Would will change to will. I will support you at any cost. The word her also will change to you. Okay, I will support you at any cost. Close the quotation. Mom advised her daughter not to waste water. Mom said to her daughter, what did mom say? Those words alone you must quote. Okay, mom said to her daughter, comma, open quotes. First letter capital. Not to will change don't. Don't waste water. Close the quotation. My children, true sentence and historical fact will not change its tense. Okay. The teacher said that opportunities seldom knock twice. Even proverbs, quotations, all, no children, this will not change. Proverbs also will not change. See, the teacher said, what did the teacher say? Comma, open quotes, opportunity. First letter of the quotation, capital letter. Opportunity seldom knock twice. Okay. The talking doll asked him whether he knew the secret of life. The talking doll said to him, comma, question mark. Why here said you are writing? Because in indirect speech asked it is given, no, so you must go on to said. Okay, comma, open quotes. Whether will change to do. He will change to you. New will change to know. Past tense will change to present tense. Okay. New will change to know. Do you know the secret of life? Kavin told his grandmother that he would help her to change her glasses. Kavin said to his grandmother, what did he say? Those words alone you must quote. Okay. Comma. He will change to I. Would will change to will. I will help you to change your glasses. The doctor asked Karna if he had got the test done. The doctor asked Karna, comma, he will change to have. Had will change to you. Have you got the test done? Question mark. Okay, asked, that's why question mark. Close the quotation. Rima asked Yogesh how he was. Rima said to Yogesh, hi Yash. That is short form of Yogesh. Okay. Hi Yash. How are you now? Children, practically you must think. See, when we meet any friend, how do we say, hi, how are you? Okay. So in same form it is. Malini asked Harini where he was yesterday. Malini said to Harini. What did Malini say? Open quotes. Beginning letter of the quotation, capital. Where he was will change to where were you in present tense. Where were you yesterday? Question mark, close the quotation. Ankit told the teacher that he had got a fever the previous day. Now what words Ankit said, that alone you must write under quotation. Ankit said, open quotes, ma'am, why instead of teacher you are writing ma'am? You cannot write teacher, yesterday I got, no, that doesn't seem to be right sentence. So decently you can use ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday I got a fever. Ram explained that he is really excited to be in Tanjore. Ram said, open quotes, I am really excited to be in Tanjore. Yes, children, hope you would have understood from indirect to direct. Now, rewrite the sentences into indirect. Guru said to Mukhil, I have completed my assignment. I need to take rest for some time. Guru told Mukhil that he had completed the assignment and he needed, present tense will change to past tense. Okay, that's why he needed to take rest for some time. Praveen said, I don't go to movies often and my mother will not allow me. Praveen said that he does not go to the movie often and his mother would not allow it. It will change to that. What a beautiful view it is, said my friend. Where there is exclamatory mark, no children, you will write exclaimed. My friend exclaimed that it was a very beautiful view. Why the word very comes? What? That word what is changed to very. The blind lady said to the students, please help me cross the road. The blind lady requested. Why requested? The word please will turn to requested. The blind lady requested the students to help her cross the road. The teacher said to the boy, I have often warned you to concentrate on your studies. The teacher told. Said to will change to told. The teacher told the boy that I have will change to he had. Okay, he had. You can also write she, children, because your name is not given, no, for teacher. So you can also write she also. Have will change to had. He had often warned him. You will change to him. Warned him to concentrate on his studies. Natin said to his mother, I could not call my English tutor. Natin told his mother that I will change to he. Why he? Natin, name of a boy, no? So he could not call his English tutor. Servant said to the master, give me my salary. Servant asked the master to give him his salary. My will change to his. Okay. But children, I hope you would have understood the sentences from direct to indirect and from indirect to direct. Anyways, children, only if you practice, you will understand better the rules of the grammar, no, that will stay in your mind. The rules of direct and indirect, it will stay in your mind only if you practice many sentences. See how many sentences if I do also, no, that will just be a revision part. But for your better understanding, you have to practice it. At least 3 or 4 sentences a day. Do practice so that you will not forget the rules.